Okay, so Cuban Sankaku is one of those Sankakus which is done when uke is flat on his belly. Okay, so flat. So when uke is flat on this belly, it's a little bit hard to do the conventional Sankaku, right? You could do the straddling Sankaku. Remember the straddling Sankaku where you're here and you put your arms underneath? That's one technique you can do when uke is completely flat. This is another one, okay? So you have Sankakus where you're coming from behind. You have Sankakus where you're facing uke. Okay, this Sankaku, the Cuban Sankaku, is done when you're on the side. Okay, and what you want to do is your right knee goes into his armpit. Okay, even if he closes his arm, it's okay. Just put it near the armpit. Just wedge it in like this, right? You don't need his arms to be completely out like that. It's not going to be out like that. So just wedge it in here. Left one over his head. Okay, this hand grabs his belt. This hand you can just go in this direction, or you can grab the collar if you want, right? And what you want to do is you want to go in this direction. Okay, you don't want to go directly in front, and you don't want to go towards the legs. You want to go sort of like in this quadrant, 45 degrees. You want to roll in that direction. Okay, so you pull him up and you just do a roll. Okay, when I'm rolling like this, then I close my legs. Okay, so this is a Sankaku, and it's not a great Sankaku. Okay, there's no strangle here, but I've got one of his arms and I've caught his head, and he's on his back. So this is a hold down, right? Now to secure my hold down, I come here and I hold him like this. And this is a hold down. It's not a great Sankaku, but it's a hold down. This knee here, this one here. This one pulls. And I'm just gonna flatten out on my chest. Okay? I'm just gonna flatten out this way. Okay? Okay, so I'm like this, and I close my legs. That's a Sankaku. Now, it's, like I said, it's not a great Sankaku. I haven't got a strangle. All right, there's no strangle here. But there is a hold down. Okay? You're right. My left arm doesn't do anything. Okay, so one more time over here. Let's move here a little bit. My left arm, that's a good question. Your left arm doesn't have to do anything, but your left arm can grab here if you want. Okay? So I'm here. Now, I could just go like that with my left arm. I can just go that direction without holding anything. But let's say I want to grab like this. I can do that as well. Okay? So I pull her here. So once I'm here, I just close this, and this holds her down. I grab this. Now she's in a hold down. And it's a very tight hold down, but it's not a strangle. You didn't feel the strangle, right? Yeah. There's no strangle.
Very tight.
Very tight. And you're stuck. And you have one arm caught, right? In Sankaku, one arm must be caught. So one arm was caught, right? Yep. So one arm was caught. That's the Sankaku. You hold them down for 20 seconds, you win. Okay? Clear for everybody? All right. So try with your partner.